Hey physios, here are some of the questions on abdomen which you can be asked as exams, and the questions are long, short and very short. Coming to the long, in abdomen it can be asked as kidney, its location and extension, relations, blood supply, applied anatomy, and what are the basic structure and functions of anatomy, and you need to draw the diagram also. Liver, location, shape, blood supply, nerve supply, its functions, and add the diagrammatic also. Inguinal canal, inguinal ring, lumbar plexus, uterus, stomach is most important, and the stomach lymphatic gland is also important. Pancreas, spleen, ligaments. Shortly, rectus sheath, appendix, urethra of male, fallopian tube, anal canal, cecum, inguinal hernia, types and coverings, lymphatic glands of stomach, postcaval anastomosis, portal vein, celiac trunk, second part of duodenum, superior mesenteric artery, testis, sphincters of urethra, spermatic cord, digastric drainage, digastric triangle, lumbar puncture, contents of spermatic cord, Douglas pouch, and the constrictors of the esophagus, pelvic diagram, mesentery of the small intestine, and the prostate gland. It can be also in very short and short also it can be asked prostate gland. Long answers. Name the respiratory centers. Describe the neural control of respiration, hypoxia, transport of oxygen, oxygen dissociation curve, chemical control of respiration. So these are the questions of some physiology based on the respiration. And short answer questions like transport of carbon dioxide, oxygen depth, Bohr effect, aerobic capacity, your lung volumes capacity, tidal capacity, respiratory quotient, respiratory centers, artificial ventilation, surfactant, asphyxia. Very short answers. Hyperventilation is observed even after the cessation of the exercises. Mouth to mouth breathing, indications for artificial respiration, vital capacity, oxygen carrying capacity of hemoglobin, chloride shift. It is kind stroke breathing, Kussmaul breathing, decompression sickness or dipalsam Cason syndrome, spirometry, lung function test. When coming into the physiology of exercises, it can be asked, what are the changes for the cardiorespiratory during exercises? Describe the changes in acclimatization to high altitudes, changes that occur in the body when exposed to the high temperatures. Nerve muscle physiology, it can be asked as neuromuscular junction, most important, mechanism of transfer of nerve impulses in a flow chart, applied aspects to the myasthenia gravis, and about myasthenia gravis, it is an autoimmune disorder, and excitation of contraction coupling, sliding filament theory, flow chart, applied aspects, and what is the rigor mortis? It is also it can be asked, but it is an anatomic question. What is the synapse? How the synaptic transmission takes place? Mechanism. What are the properties of the synapse? Explain with diagrams. And explain the neural elements involved in initiation, continuation and termination of voluntary muscle contraction. Describe the mechanism of neuromuscular transmission in skeletal muscle. Add a note on the mechanism of fatigue in skeletal muscle. Describe the structure of skeletal muscles and mention about the theories for mechanism of contraction. These are some of the general questions you can be write by listening the what your lectures, your teachers has been said. General questions you can write, and short answer questions like Explain tetanus and tetany. Cardiac muscle structure and properties. Regulation of muscle tone in the body. Action potential of muscle and nerve with diagrams. Graphic also. Properties of nerve fibers. Isometric versus isotonic contraction. Rigor mortis. Myasthenia gravis. Refractory period errors. Fatigue. Generator potential. Endurance of muscle. Single muscle twitch. Sarcotubular system. When coming into the very short questions, synapse, sarcomere, all or none law, postsynaptic potential, muscular spasm, seen in tetany, muscle tone, decreases by counting the dorsal root, cardiac muscle, resting moment potential, neuromuscular blocking agents. When coming into the cardiovascular system, long answer questions. Describe the factors that regulate the heart in the body. Describe the various events happening in cardiac cycle. Explain with the help of diagram the mechanical and pressure changes during cardiac cycle. Define cardiac output. Mention its index, normal values and factors regulating. Define arterial blood pressure. Discuss the mechanism of regular BP. Add note on hypertension. Baroreceptor mechanism of BP. Most important. Short answer questions. Heart sounds, ECG waves, PR intervals, and the factors regulating the actions of heart and the influencing on the factors blood pressure, cyanosis, your pacemaker, arterial pacemaker, your circulatory cardiac circulation, acute effects of exercises on CVS, cardiac murmurs, cutaneous circulation, triple response, coronary circulation, lymph factors affecting its flow. Very short answer questions. Diastolic pressure is not affected much during the exercises. Increase of blood pressure, decreasing heart rate, Frick's principle, Frankston's law, normal blood pressure, cardiac index, triple response, baroreceptors, venous return, AVN, draw and label jugular pulse tracing the causes of these waves, hypovolemic shock. So these are the questions coming from the physiology and anatomy in abdomen, physiology, nerve physiology, muscle physiology, and cardiovascular exercise physiology. So these are the questions coming in the physiology as important. You need to be known, and you can write easily these questions also while you learn. Cool the exam point of view and write. Thanks for watching SPN.